Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? I'm gonna do a quick recap on my previous analysis on gold. If you remember really well and if you watched my gold analysis, I said I was expecting gold to at least get to my negative 27% fib level, which was around my 1842.52, around that area right here. So I said that there's a possibility for it to push here before we push up a little bit, then continue to push to the downside, because I knew overall gold was pushing to the downside. But as you can see, that we did not actually have any retracement. We just continue to tank to the downside, even despite the fact that we've gotten to my negative 27% level, because I said we might push up a little bit to this trend line, then possible going to continue to push to the downside. And if you're pushing to the downside, my next target will be 10.59, around that area right there. But if I see it's coming up here, and if I see more buy momentum, maybe like a break of structure, then come down to retest the structure right here, then I'll possibly take it to the next trend line, which is my 18,767.36. And because of it, there is this break of structure right here and an imbalance that needs to be filled that hasn't been filled yet. So there's a possibility that we might just go up there to get that and retest this trend line right before we now continue to push to the downside. But as you all know, you react to the market, right? You don't predict the market, react to the market. So as soon as I saw this structure right here, giving me this structure, give me this break of structure right here, be seeing a lower high, a lower high here, right? A lower low here. I said there's a possibility that I might just continue to pull to the downside, and that was why I reanalyzed and I put this zone right here to see this break of structure. And we can see that it's actually gave me this candle right here, and I knew it closed the candlestick closed below the zone with a beautiful candle. It closes over with this beautiful candle right here, and I knew there was a possibility I'm going to just continue to tank to the downside, and because it's giving me more momentum that we're going to continue to tank to the downside. So now let's reanalyze based on this, because my next target is, like I said, my negative 61.8% fib level, which is let me go to, which is the 1810, like I said. So now let's see how this is playing out based on this current price. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Let me go to a more smaller time frame. So as we can see that we are still breaking structure. Let's draw a break of structure here just to show us that we are still breaking structure around that area right here. So there's a possibility to continue to actually tank to the downside. Let's draw this right here, and let's see, short. Okay, right here is a beautiful zone to see, to look forward to. Let me change the color of that, so maybe light. Okay, so now what am I seeing right now? That we can see that this previous zone was actually broken as well with this candle right here. So I still see more bearish momentum around that area right here. So what I'm looking at is there's a possibility that we might go a little bit more into this zone right here before we now continue to see more break of structure, giving me more break of structure to now actually finally get to my overall target right there, which we are seeing right now, right? That's still my target that I'm seeing, but we have to take it one step at a time. And there's a possibility that gold might still actually get to 1776.99, but that is like a future reference. We might get there, we might not get there, but don't let us rush over ourselves. Let's just be patient and go one step at a time. So that is my thoughts on gold, guys. I still think gold is going to continue to tank to the downside. So let's see, maybe something like this, like I said, then continue to give me breakout structure, then push to this target right there, which I think, let's put this a little bit closer right there. So that is my thought on gold, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis. And don't forget that you don't predict the market, you react to the market. If anything changes, just react to that current price action instead of sticking to your bias, because no strategy is 100%. You win some, you lose some. That is part of trading. You just have to learn to adapt to it. So that is my quick thought on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.